If we look at our employee as an industrial athlete, then we can actually start to realize the sweet spot in performance. We have to really pay attention to recovery, and we have to pay attention to um, job sharing or rotating positions so that we're not burning that athlete out. In football, you have a defensive team and you have an offensive team. They have time off the field so that they're the best they can be on the field. We pay attention to that. It's very important. And if you're really truly trying to get ahead of risk and reduce your safety numbers, then I would say that you have to look at your employee as an athlete and use the metrics. The mindset is that your manager, your supervisor is the coach. In any high performing team, the coach knows every athlete. They know all their idiosyncrasies. They can see them from across the room and know that they're not feeling good. So you have to have a natural conversation. Where are you today? How are you today? It's that mindset that will change the whole idea and complexion of risk for a company.